What's up guys? All good? My name is Jack. In this video I will tell you everything you need to know about the SeroLean before you buy the product. I also have some important warnings for you, so it's extremely important that you watch this video until the end so you don't lose your money. The first point of attention is, be careful with the website where you are going to buy the product, because today this product is only sold on the official website. So to help you, I left the official website link below in the video description and also in the first comment. I'm here in the corner of the screen doing this review to tell you my experience and help you know if the SeroLean works. What is the SeroLean? SeroLean is an innovative solution radically different from everything else available on the market. It is the only homemade system that not only triggers the natural release of serotonin in the body, but also provides a number of metabolic cofactors for a complete solution to lose weight and maintain results. How does SeroLean work? The Serogenesis System uses a synergistic mistura of totally natural ingredients clinically proven to work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, with rhythms naturais do seu corpo para ajudar aumentar os níveis de serotonina, otimize or metabolism and control or weight. Ingredients of SeroLean: key natural ingredients: stinging nettle leaf, -5 HTP, saffron extract, L-tryptophan, Guarantee extract, white kidney bean extract. This product was made for you who want to lose weight in a healthy way. SeroLean will lead to a reduction in appetite and greater control over stressed eating. During the night, the usual night cravings for sugar and snacks will begin to wane. You can expect to feel more calm and relaxed.